Welcome to VideoPlus Studio. Take a look at the help page if you're new to this app. VideoPlus Studio first is a free subtitle editor and translator that allows you to add subtitles to videos, edit and translate them to other languages. The app is initially loaded with this tutorial video and its subtitles. You can play around with it to learn the subtitle editing features. Translation among 80 languages for all subtitle text in one click. Export the subtitles in JSON and 4 other standard formats. Start a new task by opening a video, document or image file, and type in subtitles or open an existing file containing subtitles to edit.
The distinguishing feature of VideoPlus Studio is for every subtitle you can select a presenter who has a name, voice, and other properties for turning the text into speeches in certain language and voice, and an image optional for generating a lip-synced avatar to speak the text. You can also clone voices and adjust audio properties like pitch, speed, and volume. The avatar has a customizable picture and other properties like shape, location, and height percentage to control how it's going to show in the video. By default, each user has 2 predefined presenters that can be modified. Presenters are your aides that speak your ideas.
The subtitle editor has buttons to add, delete, merge subtitle, and a button to fit duration of the subtitle with its presenter if you're signed in. The auto duration adjustment also happens when you switch presenter or edit the text. Select a subtitle, you'll see where the text appears on the video. Play the video and see the text moving along with the video by the defined timeline. Once you are done with editing, open the task window and use the Submit Current Task button to submit for processing. Links to the resulting videos can be found in the task history when available.
The app also works with documents and images to add voiceover. Here it's an example of making a personalized talking greeting card by putting 2 images in a PowerPoint file, then adding subtitles for the document. Submit the task, download the result, and enjoy the card. Sending you a cup full of warmth. Enjoy this holiday.
May your new year be as lively and festive as these partying penguins.
That's it. Now use your imagination and creativity. Show your excellence.